What's up? I'm Afonso with Atlantic Marine, and today we're talking Ocean Runner. This is a 28-foot center console that came to us brand new, completely naked, nothing done, and we did the boat from top to bottom. I hope you guys enjoy this build. Check this out. All right, now let's talk power. So this beautiful Ocean Runner got powered with twin 300 dual props. It's doing 60 to 62 miles an hour, and of course steering by C-Star, which also comes with power assist. Also, the customer upgraded the boat with twin power poles. These are 10-foot power poles, which makes it very easy to anchor in the sandbars or in low, shallow areas. Now, if you come here to the front, let's go into the console. And here, you're gonna see where all the magic's happening. You got the Suzuki controller, you got the key switch, the push start. We also installed the Lenco trim tabs, the Simrads, and the complete panel done by Mauro with Ocean Runner. This beautiful Ocean Runner also got a brand new sound system installed by Freddie and his professional team, which comes included with 2 subs, 6 8.8 speakers, 2 6.5s, and 4 Tower 7.7, all of them powered by 3 JL audio amps.